guys, I want to tell you all the story of handy gift in today's video. When I was around 19 or 20, I had only one thing in my mind about YouTube, that it is useful for studying. Like if you don't understand a concept, we can search for tutorials about that concept and learn it. And that's what I was doing. I was using it for learning my engineering syllabus during my exams. Like if I don't understand any practical part or anything for that matter, I used to use it. What I didn't know was that even we can create a channel. So when I was around 22, I had just finished my final year of engineering and had a backlog, due to which I had a break of 1 year. At that time, I didn't have any idea of what I am going to do the whole year. I didn't want anyone to taunt me for wasting time sitting at home. That is when one of my cousins suggested me to watch videos of Ashish Chanslani. I started watching his videos and enjoyed it. When I was telling my cousin that I enjoyed watching his videos, Ashish's videos, he suggested me another channel, and that was The Ronnie Show. After watching Ronnie's video, I realized that I also can create a channel and do something productive instead of wasting time the whole year just sitting at home and doing nothing. I started thinking of what videos can I upload on my channel and what will I name it. After thinking a lot, I got an idea from YouTube itself. Actually, I had subscribed to a channel named Ayushi Aditi Card Zone, where I used to get ideas to make gifts for my loved ones on special occasions. When I was watching one of their video, an idea suddenly struck my mind. Anyways, I love making handmade gifts or DIY. So why don't I start uploading videos of my creativity on the channel? So that is when I decided that I'll create a channel of DIY or handmade gifts. So then comes the name. I took almost one full day to think of a name and decide. After thinking a lot of names, I came up with this name, that is Handy Gifts. Now, the idea was ready as well as the name. So finally, on 3rd November 2017, I created this channel. Now it comes to videos. I wanted to post a video immediately, but I didn't have the resources for it, like color papers or whatever I need for making a DIY. A simple one also, I didn't have resources for it at that time. So I thought of an idea. I had few videos of what I had made previously, but those were not tutorials. I had a habit of either taking pics or recording short videos of whatever I make. Like once it is done, once I have created something using paper or whatever it is, I had a habit of making video of it, just to show my cousins or friends that I had made this for someone. So I used to make videos of it. So that, like, even after that thing is given, like even after I gift it to someone, I would have the video and I could show it to someone who wanted to see or whom I wanted to show. So I decided to start uploading those videos, and the first video I uploaded was of a mobile stand. But the biggest mistake I did was that I uploaded almost 12 such videos on a single day, that is on 4th November 2017. So it was short videos, like some 25 seconds, 13 seconds, very short videos. So I uploaded almost 12 videos on one day. I should have not done that because I could have used it for a long time. I had so many videos, I could have uploaded one by one, one per week or something like that, because in the beginning that would do, right? So I could have done that, but I was so excited that I just uploaded a lot in just a short time. That is, I uploaded 12 videos that is on 4th November. Then on 5th November I uploaded one. Then after that, again on 7th November I uploaded almost 2 to 3 videos together. So then later I ran out of videos and had to start recording new ones. At that time I neither had a good camera phone nor tripod. I had nothing like which I could use for making videos, good quality videos. But yeah, I started using my own phone which I had at that time. I didn't think of what camera it is, I just wanted to start it, so I started. And also I didn't know what will I do, how will I record, how will I edit it, as I didn't have any idea of video editing for YouTube. I had created some videos, I had edited some videos, but it was only merging, like you have 2-3 clips, just merge it. I didn't have any idea of like trimming it or maybe syncing the audio. I didn't have any idea of all those editing. Then that is when I started learning things. I thought, why don't I learn by myself? So I started trying out different video editors. I took suggestions from few of the content creators that which editor they use, and I started trying out those editors. Then finally, the most I've used is Power Director or Filmora. So coming to milestones of HandyGifts, we have reached we reached 100 subs when within 2 months actually. That is in January 2018. November 2017 I had started my channel, and January 2018 I reached 100 subs. Then coming to 1000 subs, we got 1000 subs on 31st March 2018 within 4 months. That's really short time, and I give this credits to Ronnie, I'll be honest. Because in his server or in his channel I met a few of them who helped me grow my channel, so I give this credits to him. Then finally, not finally, but the monetization of this channel was enabled on 20th November 2018. Then now comes the last one, that is the final thing that had to be enabled, was the membership. And on 14th Feb 2021, that is a few days ago, the channel membership got enabled. So this was a short story of HandyGifts. Thank you all for such great support. This means a lot. The membership, I didn't expect I would get it so soon. I really thought it would take a lot of time, but this was really a surprise for me as well. So thanks to you all for such great support and love. This really means a lot. So, and please do keep supporting the same way. Lots of love to you all. And finally, thank you for watching the video for so long. See ya in the next video. And thank you once again. Bye bye. Hello again. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below, and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.